Need your Bank of America routing number to set up direct deposit or make a wire transfer? You might be surprised how easy it is to find. Today, I'm showing you the 3 fastest ways to locate it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies Bank of America. But remember, the number can be different depending on the state where you opened your account. The quickest way is to check your BoA mobile app. Log in, select your account, and click View Details. The routing and account number are almost always listed right there. If you're not near your phone, you can also check a physical check. Look at the bottom left-hand corner. The first set of 9 digits is your routing number. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Always confirm online for wires. For domestic wire transfers, BoA uses a different routing number. A quick search on their website for wire routing number will give you the correct, specific code to avoid any failed transfers. So, just like that, you can find your routing number in seconds, no matter where you are. Did you find it on the app, or did you have to dig out an old check? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.